Fibre cabling is new, uncharted territory for many audio-visual contractors. However, it need not be rough water. TechLogix is here to help. Firstly, there are two main types of fibre available, single mode and multimode. Secondly, there are two main types of connectors commonly used, LC and SC style. Let's start with the cable. Multimode, also known as OM2, OM3, OM4 and now OM5, is designed for shorter runs, and it's this type of cable you will probably use in most audio-visual applications. It typically maxes out at 1000 feet. Single mode, also known as OS1 and OS2, is designed for long runs which, for example, connect buildings or even countries. Single mode is ideal for cable lengths over 1000 feet. Now, onto the connectors. LC connectors have become the standard for both network and audio-visual applications. That's because they are compact and low profile, an ideal choice for electronics. SC connectors are a little larger and are still used especially on older devices. Both LC and SC connectors install and terminate identically, so be prepared to keep both in your kit bag. Now that we've covered the what, let's look at the why. At TechLogix, we believe fibre should be part of every pre-wire, thus ensuring that 4K HDR and 8K signals are guaranteed to reach the display. In addition, fibre technology is more common in data networks now than it ever was, with 10 gigabit switches falling in price to less than $100 per port. As more and more network hosts are adopting fibre technology, it's important to ensure the cabling infrastructure can support it. Whether it's a network point, a home theatre run, or even a standard video distribution in a home, there really is no reason why fibre cable shouldn't be pulled to every display and source location. Fibre technology is readily available in exactly the same options as its copper counterpart. From a single cable to multi-strand, from plenum to armoured, from direct burial to tactical. Put simply, however you plan your category cabling infrastructure can now be exactly the same with fibre technology. When planning your installation, it's important to ensure you're pulling a cable that will cover both today and tomorrow's needs. For that reason, we always recommend a duplex cable consisting of 2 single strands of fibre as a minimum. Why duplex? It's simple. Network-based devices almost always need duplex cable. One strand transmits signals and the other receives signals. For more information, visit tlnetworks.com.